Hi, this session is going to be about some basic tempo marks. Tempo is the word that we use when we talk about how fast or slow a piece of music gets performed. In the case of many tempo marks, they actually were originally indicated to give you a mood. So they have an origin that has something to do with a feeling like happy or sad. In 1810, roundabouts there, we had the invention of the metronome, and since that time, people have attached actual numerical values to some of these tempo marks. Keep in mind that any piece of music written before 1810 would have had a metronome mark attached by someone, probably not the composer, just so you know. So here we go. I'm going to show you these marks from order of fastest to slowest, so you can get an idea of how they fit into the spectrum of speed. Presto. Presto is the fastest tempo that you usually see in a piece of music, and it does mean fast. Vivace would be the next fastest tempo, and it means lively. Sometimes you might know the word vivacious, which is a word that's used for people that are very lively. Allegro is a pretty common word that you find in music. It actually means happy. And so a piece that's marked with allegro was intended to have a happy and fast nature to it. Allegretto is not quite as fast as allegro, and it usually has a light character to it. Moderato, it's obvious, it's just a medium speed. Andante. This is a mark that usually comes up when we're talking about a walking tempo when you're not in a hurry to get somewhere. Adagio, that's how you say that word. Adagio is a word that's used for a slow tempo. Lento is another slow tempo, even slower than adagio, and it originally meant sad. Largo is the slowest tempo that you're most likely to see in your music. So I'm going to run through them, and this time I'm going to do the count to 5. See if you can tell me if it's a fast or slow tempo, but also practice pronouncing the names of these words. So here we go. Presto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very fast. Vivace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lively. Allegro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fast and often happy. Allegretto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not quite as fast as allegro, and usually with a light character. Moderato. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A medium speed. Andante. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A walking tempo. Adagio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow and graceful. Lento. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slower yet, and sometimes sad. Largo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very slow. Okay, practice this one because there's going to be another video with them all mixed up, and you have to see if you can name them when they're not in order from fastest to slowest.